Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the right door gasket in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to free the gasket from the groove and pull the gasket from the door. Remove the new gasket from the package. Press the new gasket into the door groove. You can apply petroleum jelly to the inner edge of the gasket to minimize the wear and tear from the door opening and closing over time. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.